Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK or unit number 2 and our topic is book Y. So children, now we are going to learn about different books and their writers. So children, here we can find so many various types of books. So these all books written by some writers. So now first Peter Pan. This is the beautiful story book written by J.M. Barrie. So, children, here we can see a photograph of J.M. Barrie and its full name is Sir James Matthew Barrie was a Scottish novelist and playwright best remembered today as the creator of Peter Pan. So, children, this is a story of Peter Pan book. This is a very beautiful story and it written by J.M. Barrie. So, he is the best remembered today as the creator of Peter Pan, and he was born and educated in Scotland but moved to London where he wrote a number of successful novels and plays. There he met the Lineal David's boys and who inspired him to write about a baby boy who has magical adventure in King's uh, Kensington and Gardens than to write Peter Pan or the boy who wouldn't grow up. A fairy play. So Peter Pan is a fairy play and about an ageless boy and ordinary girl named Wendy who have adventure in the fantasy setting of Neverland. So, Sir James Matthew Barrie written Peter Pan. He was a Scottish novelist and playwright and best remembered today as the creator of Peter Pan. He was born and educated in Scotland but moved to London where he wrote a number of successful novels and plays, and there he met the Linwell David's boys who inspired him to write about baby boy who has magical adventure in Kensington and Gardens than to write Peter Pan or a boy who wouldn't grow up. So, this is the book Peter Pan written by J.M. Barrie. So, now next, here we see The Ugly Duckling. So, this storybook, The Ugly Duckling, is written by Hans Christian Andersen. So children, here we can see a photograph of Hans Christian Andersen, and he was a, a Danish writer. Hans Christian Andersen, born on 2nd April 1805 and died on 4th August 1875, and was a Danish writer. He was a Danish writer, and the king helped Anderson finish his education. So, Anderson wanted to be an actor or a dancer. Hans Christian Andersen, born on 2nd April 1805 and died on 4th August 1875. He was Danish writer, and the king helped Anderson to finish his education and Anderson wanted to be an actor or dancer, and he died no did not the talent for either. He started to write novels, plays, poems, and short stories and travel books. Anderson wanted to be an actor or a dancer, but he did not have the talent for either. So he started to write novels, plays, poems, and short stories, and travel books in 1835. So he published 4 fairy tales that were liked by the readers. In 1835, he published 4 fairy tales that were liked by the readers, and after this success, he wanted to write more fairy tales. Hans Christian Andersen, born on 2nd April 1885 and died on 4th August 1875, and he was a Danish writer, and the king helped Anderson to finish his education, and Anderson wanted to be an actor or a dancer. So he did not have the talent for either, and he started write novels, plays, poems, or stories, and travel books. And in 1835, he published 4 fairy tales that were liked by the readers. And after this success, he wanted to write more fairy tales. So, this is the story. The Ugly Duckling is written by Hans Christian Andersen, and he was a Danish writer. So, children, now you all are learned that this story, Peter Pan, is written by J.M. Barrie, and this story, Ugly Duckling, is written by Hans Christian Andersen. So now next, Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl. So here we see a Matilda. Matilda story is written by Roald Dahl. So here we see photograph of Roald Dahl. So he was born in Landulph, Cardiff, Wales to Norgin parents and he was educated in England and then worked in Africa for a Shell Oil company. In the Second World War, he was an RAF fighter pilot, and it was after an air crash, a moment based on the head, that he began to write, and the crash was the subject of his first published story and shot down over Lobia. So Roald Dahl was educated in England and then worked in Africa for Shell Oil Company in the Second World War. He was he was an RAF fighter pilot, RAF fighter pilot, and it was after an air crash he momental bash on the head that he began to write. The crash was the subject of his first published story, Shoot Down Over Libya. So, his stories are full of huge, wild ideas, and he hoped they would help children to learn the love books, and he is one of the world's most popular children's writer. So Roald Dahl is written by Matilda, and this is a story of one girl, and Roald Dahl is educated in England and then worked in Africa for Shell Oil Company. In the Second World War, he was an RAF fighter pilot, and it was after an air crash and a momental bash on the head that he began to write. So the crash was subject of his first published story, Shot Down Over Libya. So his stories are full of huge, wild ideas and hoped they would help children to learn to love books, and he is one of the world's most popular children's writer. So, children's, you all are understand about Roald Dahl. So now we are going to learn a next writer, and it's Jonathan Swift. JONATHAN SWIFT. Jonathan Swift. So, children, here we have seen a photograph of Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift, written by Gulliver's Travels. So, Jonathan Swift, born on 30 November 1667. Jonathan Swift, born on 30 November 1667, and he died on 19 October 1745. So he was an Anglo-Irish satirist, essayist, political pamphleteer, so poet and critic. Jonathan Swift is an Anglo-Irish satirist, essayist, political poet and critic, and he became a Dean of St. Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin. So he is remembered for books and poems, and he wrote Gulliver's Travel, a modest proposal, a journal to Stella, Draper's letter, and the Battle of the Books, an argument against abolishing Christianity, and a tale of Tub. So, Swift is probably the most well known prose satirist in the English language. Jonathan Swift is the most satirist in English language, and he is less well known for his poetry. So, Jonathan Swift, born on 30 November 1667 and born in 19 October 1745. So, he was an Anglo-Irish satirist, essayist, political poet, and critic. So he write many books and essay, and this Gulliver's Travel is a very fantasy story written by one man, and there are a very beautiful story, and so many other story is also written by him. So children, you all are understand that first we have to learn J.M. Barrie. He wrote Peter Pan. J.M. Barrie written Peter Pan. Then we learn about Hans Christian Andersen. So he wrote the book The Ugly Duckling. So he wrote this book The Ugly Duckling. And then Roald Dahl. So he wrote a story book Matilda, and he was an educated in England, and also he go in Second World War and RAF fighter pilot. Then we learn about Jonathan Swift. So here we see Jonathan Swift written by Gulliver's Travels. And Gulliver's Travels is also very beautiful story and fantasy story. So now next, J.K. Rowling, Rowling, J.K. Rowling. So here we can see a photograph of J.K. Rowling. So she is a British novelist, and she wrote Harry Potter, beautiful fantasy story written by J.K. Rowling. So Johnny is a British novelist, screenwriter, and producer who is best known for writing the Harry Potter fantasy series. So, in this story book, he wrote 10 parts, and also this is a fantasy series of Harry Potter, and the book have won multiple awards. So many awards won by this book, and sold more than 400 million copies. So they have been the best selling book series in history and been the basis for a series of films. So this is a best selling book series in history and been the basis for a series of films over which Rowling had overall approval on the scripts and was producer on the final films in the series. So, J.K. Rowling Johnny is a British novelist, screenwriter, and the producer who is best known for writing the Harry Potter. And this Harry Potter story is also very beautiful story. For one boy and his school life, and this is fantasy series, and the book have won multiple awards and sold more than 400 million copies. So they have become the best selling book series in history and been the basis for a series of films over which Rowling has overall approval in the scripts and was the producer on the final films in the series. So children, in today we learn about different writer and different writers and their books. So now next, Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling. So children, here we can see photograph of Rudyard Kipling, and he was a best author for this The Jungle Book, all-time favorite of all children's. Joseph Rudyard Kipling, born on 30 December 1865 and died on 18 January 1936. He was an English author and poet. He was born in Bombay, India, and he wrote children's fiction like Kim, the Jungle Book, and the Puck of Fox Hill. And he also wrote well-known poems If and Gangadin and many short stories set in India. He was an awarded the 1907 Nobel Prize in Literature. So Rudyard Kipling was an English author and poet and born in 30 December 1865 and died on 18 January 1936. And he was an English author and poet, and he was born in Bombay, India, and he wrote children's fiction like Kim and the Jungle Book and the Puck of Pokes and Hill. He also wrote the well-known poems If and Ganga Din and many short stories set in India. He was awarded the 1907 Nobel Prize. So, children, today we learn about uh, six different types of books and their writer. So now we firstly revise that. First we learn about uh, J.M. Barrie. So, J.M. Barrie was written by Peter Pan. This Peter Pan is story of a one baby boy who has magical adventure, and also this story is belong to a magical adventure. Then this is a photograph of J.M. Barrie. Then we learn about Ugly Duckling, the story book written by Hans Christian Andersen. Andersen was a Danish writer and he wanted to become a dancer or an actor, but he have no talent for this. That's why he wrote novels, plays, and poems. Then we learn about Roald Dahl. So he was written by Matilda storybook, and these books have two ideas full of story is idea for this is full of huge stories. Then we learn Jonathan Swift. So he wrote Gulliver's Travels, and this story is also a very fantastic and fantasy story. Then we learn about J.K. Rowling. So she wrote a Harry Potter series, and this is a most popular and the best selling book series in a history. Then we learn about Rudyard Kipling. So Kipling was written by Jungle Book, and this book is all-time favorite of all the children, and he was a English author. So children, in today's lecture we learn about six different books and their writer. So, hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, we will continue this lecture in another part of this topic. So, till then, bye bye everyone. Take care, everyone.